Ready for more exciting Blooket game tips? We are on to cafe. Okay, I'm going to pause this as I get it started so you don't have to watch the boring stuff. Okay, we're going to start this game. Again, it's only 3 minutes, and here I am in the student side. Okay, so here's my first tip. Space and answer questions as quickly as you can. Space, space, get another question done. Space, space, get another question done. Space, space, get another question done. Okay, so let's stop there. Usually 4 or 5 is good. And let's get some of these orders filled. So click on it, then click on the person that you need to. As soon as I can see that exclamation point, let's upgrade. Now I need to restock this food. So space, okay? And space, space gives me a new question, okay? Space, space, new question. Space, space, new question. Space, space, new question. Okay, so let's work with that. Let's fill this order. Let's fill this order. Let's fill this order. Upgrade. Here we go. Can get breakfast combo and yogurt. Back, I need to restock food. Okay, so space, space, next question. Space, space, next question. Space, space, next question. Space, space, next question. All right, so let's now fill some orders. Here we go. 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 There we go. Upgrade. All right, let's add what we can. Okay, and we'll just fill this order because that one came before. Let's fill this. We can fill this one. All right, now we really need to restock some food. Here we go. Space, space. Okay, space, space. Space, space. All right, we're just getting questions quickly by doing space, space. Okay, and there we go. All right, so now we should be able to fill all these orders. And again, upgrade. So let's add milk. Let's upgrade toast. Go back. We need some of this though. So here we go. Space, space. Do a couple questions. Space, space. And here we go. Space, space. Space, space. And all right, so we should be good. All right, so some of them notice I'm really stocked up, but I will get behind. All right, so trust me when I say it's good to do about maybe 4 or 5 questions at a time. Just get ahead each time that you do it. All right, so now I'm up. I need to really do some upgrades. Let's add waffles in. Let's go back. Okay, so we have toast here, cereal, eggs. I can fill this milk and this orange juice. I can do the orange juice and the cereal, but notice now I need to upgrade. I need to restock my food. Okay, so space, 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 space. Oh, I ran out of time. Okay, so the key thing for playing cafe is upgrading when you can, all right? And then using that trick, space, space, to get the next question and just doing 4 or 5 each time. And really, it's going to allow you to move a lot faster through the game and you'd be surprised. So again, upgrade whenever you can. Look for that exclamation point and then use that trick of space, space to navigate quickly through questions. And there you have it, tips for cafe.